Hey everybody! Today we're going to go over how to make the most out of Ace Dental Software's latest innovation, eStatements. Our eStatements will help you save time and money by streamlining your billing process. No more worrying about your printer not working, or running out of ink and paper, about time spent stuffing envelopes, or postage delays. Ace Dental's eStatements will help you get paid immediately. In the statement queue, we can see that all but one of the statements are considered online ready. This means that they have a cell phone number and email address added in the account info tab. The phone number must be a cell phone, not a home phone or office landline. Clicking Hold Paper will make a check mark appear in the left-hand corner for accounts that aren't online ready. This will exclude that account from the batch of eStatements. You can further customize this by clicking Hold All and then unselecting accounts at will. If this gets too confusing, you can always click Clear All and start over from the beginning. Once you've clicked Hold Paper, you then click Send Online Statements in the upper left corner. This will lead you to open up a statement setup window where you can customize your batch of eStatements and queue them to be sent. After you age the accounts, you can look over the batch one more time by clicking View Online Statements, then clicking on the newest statement list. Finally, you click the green Send All Statements button. This process only takes a few minutes, and your patients will receive their eStatements within seconds of you hitting Send. All they have to do is input the security code via text and scroll down to the Pay Now button. Ace Dental's eStatements will allow you to request and receive payment in 5 to 10 minutes when it used to take 5 to 10 business days by mail. It's also safer because online payments are done via a secure encrypted portal. This means that the patient's payment information is completely protected. Once the patient pays their bill, the green Online Payment button at the top will turn red. You can then click on it to view which accounts have been paid and then post them. To print the statements that aren't online ready, you'll click Hold Online. Now we have check marks by the online ready statements in the hold column. This means that they won't be included when you click Print Statements in the bottom right corner. You could also click Clear All, then click on the account you wish to print, and then click Print One Selected. But again, you don't need to, as long as you have a patient's email address and cell phone number. The whole process of sending bills and getting paid is so much easier and quicker if you do it all electronically. Ace Dental's eStatements help your practice save money on office supplies, cut down on time wasted by busy work, and generate revenue immediately instead of waiting days or weeks for the patient's check to arrive. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial helps you make the most of your Ace Dental software.